जो बात कर रहे थे कि there is no such thing as unresourceful person, but it's only unresourceful state. हम किस state से क्या मतलब है? ज़हन की कैफियत, state of mind की हम यहाँ बात कर रहे हैं. इंसान की जितनी भी states होती हैं, any state of mind, ये बुनियादी तौर पे दो चीजों के ऊपर डिपेंड कर रही होती है. उनमें से एक चीज क्या है कि हाउ वी आर यूजिंग आवर फिजियोलॉजी. हम अपनी बॉडी को किस अंदाज से यूज कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर इफ यू आर फीलिंग डाउन फॉर सम रीजन, समथिंग बैड हैपेंस एंड यू आर फीलिंग डाउन, हाउ आर यू बॉडी physiologically? How are you at that time? Just imagine a situation, a bad situation, a negative situation of some sort. But when you think of it, notice what happens in your body. Just notice that. What happens? Just notice. You notice it right now. Experience it. Experience. You will understand this through experience. As you think of something really. Notice what happens to your breathing. Does it go up or down?
No.
Notice what happens to your shoulders. Do they go up or down?
No.
What happens to your head? Does it move up or down?
No.
What happens to your eyes? Do they move up or down?
No.
Notice the internal world, your internal voices. Are they loud or slowing down? Notice it is like you're saying exactly the same thing. You may be thinking of one thing, you may be thinking of another, you may be thinking of something else, but you all have the same answer. How come? Because the moment we get into a particular state, we have similar physiological responses. And at the same time, the moment we develop a particular type of physiology, we get into a similar state of mind. Okay? You want to play something? Stand up. Okay, now do this. Okay? You know, it's like when we say emotion, what are emotions? Emotions are energy in motion. Okay? So you move. There's not any particular order, any particular direction. I'm moving, you just move. Okay? Then move your legs away. Okay? Another leg. Okay? The whole body shake it. Shake it. तो नहीं 1960s का डांस होता था. Okay? Yes! Right? Okay, done. Okay, now make some weird noises. Okay, give each other a high five. Okay, now just notice your state. Is there any difference here? Do you feel any change here? What did you do? What happens with most people when they're feeling down? Rather than doing something to change, they take those actions like, I like my life. Okay? अब कोई मुझे डिस्टर्ब नहीं करे. उसके साथ फिर कोई स्लो सा ऐसा म्यूजिक लगा देगा. And when they do that, do they come out? They actually go down. So what's the solution?
Change physiology.
William James, who's considered father of modern psychology, please wait here. He said, emotions follow actions. If you want to change your emotions, change your actions. So if you want to feel more confident, act confident. You want to feel energetic, act energetic. You want to feel excited, act excited. Your emotions will follow your actions. Get this? Simple. You change, you want to change this, change. And therefore it's very simple for us, it's very simple to understand. गुस्सा आ रहा हो खड़े हो तो बैठे हो तो change your physiology and your state of mind will change. अगर रोना रो कर दो मांगो कि रोना नहीं आ रहा है तो क्या करो कम से कम शक्ल बना लो. You change your physiology. Whichever you follow, it's exactly the same message. Okay? So one of those things is this physiology. एक तरीका क्या है? Because unconscious mind needs repetition, is that you do some sort of, this jumping jack, you may call it, okay? You may call it some weird dancing, whatever you call it. Some kind of physical activity that actually changes your state. Anytime you're feeling down for any reason, and you notice you're feeling down, the moment you realize, do something, shake it off. Okay? Rather than going into it. And before you know it, you'll find it will become a natural thing for you. You get this? Something wrong happens, rather than going down, you will say, okay, I'm ready, I can handle this. You understand? Remember, unconscious mind needs repetition. And in order to embody this completely and do it, okay, that's one thing. The other thing is